Hey AIR enthusiasts, welcome back to another Midjourney video. So in this video, we're going to talk about caricatures, a very trendy topic that's been all over the internet nowadays. So if you're not sure about what are caricatures, so caricatures are basically made by exaggerating the personality and behavior. So they're basically created for a humorous, or you can say a grotesque fact, just to make a subtle point about, maybe it can be about politics, human behavior, celebrities, or whatsoever. So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you how you can create those in Midjourney V6. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Alright, so we are in our Midjourney, and as you guys can see from this, that I've been working on caricatures for quite a while now, and in this video for you guys, I have cracked a perfect prompt formula to create astonishing caricatures like these, okay? Alright, so first of all, it's really important that you are on the right version of Midjourney. So for that, you need to go ahead and go to your settings. Make sure that you are on the default model V6. Alright, so after you have selected the default model V6, so now comes the prompt formula, like what are the prompts to get the perfect caricatures out of Midjourney, okay? So for that, you need to go ahead and go to your prompt box, type in \imagine, and over here, you need to type in your prompt, okay? So first of all, as you guys can see from these prompts, that I've written expressive caricature in Pixar style, unreal yet charming. So this first sentence is really important. So you just need to go ahead and copy paste this first sentence, okay? So in every prompt, this sentence should be there, like expressive caricature in Pixar style. Then you can go ahead and type in your prompt formula that we just discussed in our previous videos, which was photography type, subject, action, shot type, location, fashion, real, film stock, camera, director of photographer, emotion, lighting, and color. Okay, so these all things should be there as well in your prompt. And after that, you just need to provide the description of what caricature you're working on or what do you want, and Midjourney will create that for you right away, okay? So yeah, for that, I'm just gonna go ahead and type in my first prompt, which is gonna be expressive caricature in Pixar style. So obviously the first sentence is gonna be same. Unreal yet charming, seemingly mischievous, irritated young woman with a radiant smile, and all the other details. Okay, so let's just go ahead and create this and see how our caricature will turn out, okay? And similarly, I'm gonna go ahead and type in my other prompts. Like I'm gonna go ahead and do like 2 to 3 examples and see like how my caricatures gonna turn out, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for my second, now for my third, and the fourth one, okay? Alright, so these are the 4 results that I got out of my caricatures. And if I go ahead and upscale the best ones out of that, so yeah, here you go. These are our 4 output. The first one was expressive caricature Pixar style, seemingly mischievous, irritated young woman with a radiant smile. So yeah, the first one looks kind of funny, but yeah, it's good for our caricature. Second one was of a teenage girl with a dreamy gaze, and yeah, this looks really cute as well. And if you go ahead and look at the third one, so irritated elderly man with a wise look, and yet this looks absolutely fantastic, right? And the last one is irritated middle-aged woman with a confident expression, and yeah, this looks really fantastic as well. So yeah, here you go, guys. These were the caricatures that we just input in our prompt. So if I go ahead and create some more examples for you guys. So yeah, similarly, I'm gonna go ahead and type in the prompts for my next set of caricatures. So the first one is gonna be expressive caricature pixel style, unreal yet charming. So this is irritated young boy with a cheeky grin. And similarly, I'm gonna go ahead and do it for my second one, the third one, and for the fourth one as well, Alright guys, so here we go. So now we have the 4 more creations of caricatures, and the first one is seemingly mischievous irritated young boy. The second one was mischievous irritated elderly woman. And the third one was of a teenage boy with a thoughtful look. And the fourth one is, as you guys can see, irritated middle-aged man. So yeah, these are pretty good caricatures, if you guys can see. So I must say again, you need to make sure you have the first sentence, which is expressive caricature in picture style, because all the caricatures, you want them in picture style because that's the way to do it, all right? Okay, so if I go ahead and upscale the best versions of that and show you the final outputs of our caricatures, so there you go. These are our 4 outputs. So yeah, you guys can see these look absolutely fantastic, right? All right, so another cool feature that Midjourney V6 offers you regarding caricatures are now you can go ahead and create celebrity lookalikes caricatures, right? So this is a very cool feature. So for that, you need to go ahead and type imagine and write in your prompt. So our prompt is going to be the same, first sentence will be expressive caricature in picture style. And then we're going to type in the name of our celebrity that we're looking for. Okay, so let's just say I type here expressive caricature in pixel style of, and I put in my inverted commas and I say The Rock, okay? The Rock, the wrestler I'm talking about. So now I'm going to go ahead and hit enter and see whether it will create the caricature of The Rock for me, okay? Alright guys, so here we go. Yeah, the results are pretty good as you guys can see, right? I'm really much liking the second and the third one. So if I can go ahead and upscale my second and third variation. So yeah, here you go guys. These are the caricatures of The Rock, and yeah, these look really, really good, especially the second one. This looks absolutely fantastic, right? Let's just go ahead and do one more example. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my first sentence, which is going to be expressive caricature of, and then our celebrity name, okay? So this time I'm going to go ahead and say of Taylor Swift, okay? The singer Taylor Swift. And yeah, once again, don't forget to put your inverted commas, hit enter, and let's just wait for the output. All right, so these are our outputs for a caricature of Taylor Swift. So this looks absolutely perfect, right? So yeah, one last example is a really good feature of Midjourney V6 is now you can go ahead and create your own caricatures as well, like the caricatures of yourself. So for that, obviously you need to go ahead and upload your image first of all. And for that, I'm going to go ahead and take this image of mine, type in imagine, then type in your prompt. So of course, the first sentence is going to be the same. So expressive caricature in picture style of, and then after that, you need to go ahead and copy paste your link over here, all right? So now I'm just going to go ahead and hit enter, and let's just see whether it will create caricature of your own self in Midjourney V6 or not. All right, guys, so here we go. So these caricature doesn't look that bad if you guys can see. So yeah, I think if you can go ahead and take the 4th variation as an example, I'm going to go ahead and create more variations for my 4th image. I'm going to go ahead and press on V4, and let's see what caricatures now we'll get. All right, yeah, wow. So these images look absolutely perfect. Especially, I'm really much liking the 3rd caricature. So if I can go ahead and upscale the 3rd one. So yeah, here you go, guys. So this was a reference image, and from that, we were able to create this caricature, which looks really, really good, right? So now let's just go ahead and take one last example. And this time, I'm going to go ahead and upload this image of a woman. And again, I'm going to do the same, type in my prompt, expressive caricature of, and then paste the link of that over here, okay? And now I'm going to go ahead and hit enter and see like what caricatures will it create for this image, all right? All right, so there you go, guys. So these are our final result. The first one, I don't know what it did with the image. It turned this into a man, and the rest of the images, these look really good. The second one, especially the 3rd one, are really, really good. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the exploration of how you can create caricatures in Midjourney. You can create your own, you can create your celebrities, and you can create obviously the random ones as well. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.